Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and I'm actually mid-project, but I really wanted to try something, and what better way to try something than to try it with my YouTube family. So I'm using Undu for a variety of things in my projects, and this is how it comes. And if you've never seen it before, it was actually off the market for a little while, but it's back on, and I'll put a link in the description box where you can get it. But it is great for scrapbooking, especially getting photos out of those old magnetic type albums, you know, the kind with the big peel off clear liners, removing stickers, especially if you're a planner person, or labels, whatever. But my friend Julie over at Creekbank Creations, she uses Undu all the time, and she uses it in order to position her things where she wants them. So instead of putting something down, like let's say I was putting this here and then I think, oh, it stuck too quick and I didn't want to, she would put Undu first because she says it suspends the adhesion. And I thought that's so smart. So today on video, I wanted to do a little test run and see how long does it suspend the adhesion? Like how long do we actually have before it becomes sticky? So I have my iPad and we'll time it, I was thinking. So this is just a tab that I cut, and it's got a sticky back, and I cut it with my die cutter and some super tacky tape, all from Creekbank Creations, and I will put those links in the description box if you're interested. And like I said, I'm mid-project, so this isn't really about the project as it is about the Undu. And then I am going to, let me see here. What you do is, I guess you squirt it in this little reservoir, okay? So I have a couple drops in the reservoir here. And then, let's see, how am I going to do this? And then what I'm going to do is hit start, like as soon as it, we're going to time this, as soon as it hits the first drop here, okay? And I'm just spreading the liquid like all around. Actually, that's really saturated for real. Okay, and so here we have, and you can see the timer there, and it comes right up, and no residue, comes right up. So we have all this time to position. Now it is starting to get a little bit more sticky. Like I can feel the tack of it sticking down. And now it's starting to stick even a little bit more. But still no residue on the white paper underneath. This white paper is pretty dry. Ooh, there's the first white, there it is. That's the first residue that came up. And now it's becoming sticky with every pull. So at this point, I should stick it and forget it. And of course, this was just a test run. This right here is where it kind of got gummed up from that first pull at 58 seconds. That's where it became sticky. But I think at around 30 seconds, I started to feel some resistance. So, yeah, I'm happily pleased. I'm imagining that if you had letter stickers or something, here are some letter stickers, and I can hear I can hear some of you saying that you have those exact same stickers. They're good stickers. So I'm imagining here that what I would do is, in real life, put some Undu like this and not waste time putting the cap on and not waste time pulling this up. But if I did like that, then, oh yeah, see, I have some time to move it around where I want it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, what a great idea. Now, maybe you have some questions about Undu the way I did before I actually purchased some. Like, is this big wet spot gonna be there when it dries? Well, oh dang. This came, look, that came right up. You know why? Because my finger is sticky from the other one. Well, I'm doing this in real time here, so you can see that this one did not leave a ring. This residue, I just want to stress, is because I kept yanking it up after it was already becoming tacky. Now, look, you saw how saturated it was where I had that 9. Could I pull this up now? Yeah, I still could. I still could pull it up. But what happens is then when it dries as if we never used it in the first place. That's pretty great. Yeah, it's a pretty great technique. See, I could still pull it and move it, but I wonder how long. Yeah, ooh. That's okay. This is just for a test anyway. Yeah, great. Great idea. Oh yeah, here now I've started to, yeah, that is about a minute. That's a good minute. But honestly, if we can't figure out where we're going to put our sticker down after a minute, we probably shouldn't have that sticker there anyway. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. Like I said, this is just a quick video because I'm mid-project. I'm going to be finishing up here. And, oh. And there's my notifications. You know what? Here I am trying to, look at this. I'm not even used to my Undu. Here I am trying to scrape off that residue when I have Undu. Now, is that not silly? This is a baby wipe. Let's see. Ooh, it's pulling, oh, because of my cardstock. It's just pulling some red. Yeah, great. Glad you could be part of this little experiment. I'm kind of looking here. I restarted that just to, well, you have a timer right there on the video, but I'm just saying, just for me. Well, great. This was a fun little experiment. And like I said, check the description box for a link where you can purchase this through Sandpaper Roads. Oh, and another notification. I get these notifications. Just check the description box there. You can purchase Undu at your convenience. It's really great. I don't know what took me so long to purchase it. I will say that I spent years doing some scrapbooking, and I probably could have used this, and some of my pages would have turned out a lot less stressful if I would have had that in my life a little bit sooner. And let me give you this close up here, because you can see how it's drying. Oh yeah, definitely. And there's the timer still running. Yeah, that's great. And again, this was me rubbing and gunking, and it's still moist. But this over here is completely dry and fully sticky and no residue. This right here we did first. I can't even pull that up. Not even a little bit. And we had that saturated, remember? That's great. I wonder if I could, let me just stop that because that's not even appropriate anymore. I wonder if I could pull this up because I couldn't even move that. Let's see. Would I be able to pull this sticker up? Oh, are you kidding me? I couldn't even move that. Wow. That's pretty amazing. It is a little gummy. I mean, once it's, yeah, it comes up, but there is a little bit of gummy there. I so like this idea though, because there's no gummy when I put that on the paper first and then put the letter down. That's great. Can I stick this over here? It says it would, that I could use it again. Oh yeah, it sure will. I could see it. I could see that it'll be sticky. Look. Wow, that's great. And I didn't need very much. This was the first time I've ever used it. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle. So yeah, you don't need very much at all. Great. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this encourages you to give some Undu a try, especially with the technique I learned from my friend Julie over there at Creekbank Creations. And you know what? I'm going to link also to their video about their super tacky tape in the description box as well, because that's a really good video. They use a lot of Undu and stuff, and that'll give you a little bit more if you're interested in Undu. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to check out sandpaperroad.com for my blog and for shopping. And find us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram at Sandpaper Road. And if you're interested in shopping, you can shop through the website, or you can go to Sandpaper Road on Etsy. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell right down here so you can get the notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to finish my project and post a video very soon. Bye-bye.